Welcome back to Kent Farms, where nothing goes smoothly. Yesterday, we left off with a belt being broken 100 feet in the air at the top of our grain leg. We continued on with our grain setup prep for harvest. Lots of grease zerks to hit and belts to check. We turned on the grain dryer just to make sure it wanted to start up, knocked some corn and crap out of this fan that is on our overhead loadout bin, used a full can of grease. Then we were going to make sure that the bin above the dryer was cleaned out well, and I immediately dropped one of these bolts up from there, and it managed to fall through this little tiny crack above the pit. Luckily, it was not too hard to find. It was just a gross, smelly job, but I need to clean out the bottom of the pit anyways. You cannot imagine how smelly this is. But as I did this recon, JD continued to grease things. We made sure that everything was greased and oiled up inside of the bins. All of our bins were built at different times, so they all are serviced slightly differently, which can be confusing. But only a couple more things that we need to do at our grain bins before we're ready for harvest season. And if you stuck around to the end, we have a whole secret project coming on our soybean bin.